Hey everybody, welcome to the Blockchain Chariot, a new YouTube channel based on trending cryptos on the market, mining different cryptos, and breaking down easy, simple ways how you can get started. Now let's get back to the video. So in this video, I'm going to list the top 5 basic miners based on various articles I've came across. Now depending on how your budget is, you may want to take a really good analysis on this video before diving in too deep. If you can afford it, then you're more likely to get a really good profit into this. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The MicroBT Watts Miner M30S with a hash rate level of 88 terahashes, power consumption 3,344 watts. Characterized by a plug-and-play approach to mine and its built-in fan system to help maximize performance while reducing heat. The M30S is well positioned for profitable Bitcoin mining this year and going forward. Number 2. The Bitmain Antminer S7. The Bitmain Antminer S7 is one of the most popular Bitcoin miners since it is easy to set up. In addition, the mining hardware is reasonably priced, powerful, and efficient. Launched in 2015, the mining rig gained notoriety the following year, with users claiming to experience an average of 4.7 to 4.9 terahashes. Number 3. The Canaan Avalon Miner 1246 with a hash rate of 90 terahashes and a power consumption of 3,420 watts. Another one of the latest high efficiency Bitcoin miners, Canaan's Avalon Miner 1246 launched in January of 2021, and others plug-and-play development, built-in power supply, and accident stability. Its innovative new design allows for maximum convenience and space-saving flexibility, capable of being placed horizontal or vertically when mining. The Avalon Miner 1246 is a welcome and popular recent addition to the Asic miner landscape. Number 4. eBang EBIT E11++. Developed by this company, which has become one of the world's largest producers of advanced chips for distributed computing machines. The organization has released a new version of its efficient mining devices, EBIT E10, that it claims to be greater than the best one yet. EBIT E11 Plus employs 10nm microprocessor technology, enabling it to reach an optimal mining power of 44 terahashes. Its simplified IP configuration helps you to set it up easily. Number 5. An Asic Miner 8 Nano. A compressed miner that has to use the effective AMO815 8nm handcrafted chips for ASICs and has a 10% efficiency of 0.05J/gigahashes. It can accomplish a successful hash rate of 45 terahashes, but generates 2,100 watts. Well, that's it. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can be notified for any new upcoming videos. Peace.